So this problem is called a single number, and basically it asks give you a non-empty array, and every element appears twice except for the one, then find a single one. Okay. So let me tell you how to do this. So there are multiple ways to do this. The first way is you can create a list, and or you create a list and count how many, and count the time, count how many times some element appears, and if it appears twice, then you just delete it, and it appears once only, then you just report it. Okay. But another way is that you know that the list contains some element L not L1, L and L2, L2. Okay, so up to some L something. Okay. So the key point is that you want to find a single element. So suppose you sum over L, then you get L1 plus 2 times the rest of Li. Okay. So but if you use a set of L, then you only get L not L1, L2 up to L this. Okay. So this tell you that this L not. So if you twice sum of this set, then you will get sum over you will get L naught plus this, and you twice. So suppose this is y, this is x. So you can see that the y is just 2L naught times plus 2 the rest of I from 1 to something. Okay. So the L naught just equals to y minus x. Okay, so this is the quickest way to solve this problem, I guess. You just sum of the sets of the list, then twice, and you minus sum of the L. Okay. So how about we try it? So sum of the sets numbers twice, and minus sum of the and return this number. Let me try. Okay, so it's much faster. And the previous one I used the list. Okay, so I think this is really interesting. Question is very easy, but it's very amusing that the solving technique is really impressive. Okay, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video.